Now you just have to browse through Amazon, select your favorite product or any product you want to promote, and then just hit this icon and or this icon and this just hit the add button, and the AI tool that we are going to use in this video will create a complete review for that product. From here, you just have to select the pictures and you just have to do some modifications, and it will publish the review of that product on your blog like this one. Here you can see this is the review that was completely generated using AI, and AI did it all. What I just did, I just selected the product, I just hit this review button, and then I just created, AI just created the review, and it just published on my website. Now I'll show you in this video how to build an affiliate blog if you don't have, and also some guide on creating your own Amazon account, Amazon affiliate account. And I'll also tell you that how you can generate amazing blogs, affiliate blog posts using AI like this one. AI will just automatically put your affiliate ID into it, so that if someone buys that product after watching your review, you will get the commission. You just have to watch this full video, and I'll just guide you step by step. Let's just be practical, and first let's just discuss that what are the requirements to get started, how you can just start your affiliate blog and start making money. So first of all, the basic requirement is the affiliate blog, where you will be publishing the content, and from where the content will appear on Google, people will watch it and they will buy from your blog and you will get the commissions. So first you need affiliate blog. If you have it already, then you can switch to the next part, which is Amazon Associates. But if you don't have, in affiliate blog, you will need a domain. Domain is basically the name of the website, address of the website, like webifyup.com, hustlix.com, and hustlixacademy.com, etc., etc. You can buy it from Namecheap or GoDaddy. Then the second thing you need is the web hosting. I would recommend 10web. That all the links are in description, because they have an AI builder with which you can build a website easily, or you can use Hostinger if you are tight on budget. Then you would need themes and plugins, like you would need a free WordPress theme. Just go to WordPress repository and search for a free WordPress theme, or you can just search on Google for which is the best affiliate WordPress theme, and you will find it. And then page builder, I would recommend Elementor as a page builder to build different type of web pages. And if you would be using 10web, then you would need Elementor, and then rank math SEO for the SEO of your website, so that you can rank on Google. Then the second step is Amazon Associates, and if you already have it, then just you can skip to the second last part, which is affiliate content. In Amazon Associates, just go to Google, search for Amazon Associates, sign up, get your affiliate ID, and that's all you would need to sign up. Then get your affiliate ID. Then the third thing is the affiliate content, and we would be using Gizzmo AI for that. The prototype I just showed you in the intro, we were using Gizzmo AI to create the content. We'll be integrating Gizzmo AI into our website. Then we would need RankMath to do a bit of basic SEO. Then we would get the content. And after that, there are multiple methods for multiple ways for just monetization, which is affiliate commissions. You can generate affiliate commissions from Amazon, which would be the first type. It would be automatic, completely automatic. Then it would be the sponsorships. When you are getting traffic, a lot of brands would reach out to you and they would ask you to create a post for them. And then it would be digital products. You can create your own, some kind of guide or digital product, and you can sell it on your website. So this is the complete roadmap of the video. Now let's just jump into the next part. To create the affiliate blog, first thing you need is the hosting, and because hosting is the place where your website files are stored. And to get the hosting, you can go to link in description to get the special discount, and just go to link in description and hit generate your website, because you can create your website using 10web firstly for free. Then you can, if you like it, then you can switch to the paid plan. Now you have two options: create a new website with AI or convert a website to WordPress with AI. Here you just have to insert a URL of your ideal website. You can search for affiliate websites. You just have to copy their link, paste it here, and this tool, AI Builder, would generate the complete website for you. Or you can just hit this one, then select your website type from here. I'll search for blog, and I'll hit blog, I'll hit next. then it would create the website for me. After that, you just have to select your website template, what type of website template you need. Let's say I just want this one. I'll hit next, and then you just have to add the description, Hustlix, and I'll just it should be Hustlix his slide search engine. You can also enhance your description with AI because it is completely AI based. And I'll just hit next. And here's what we got after a few edits, which is this website. And you can just edit it after getting the paid plan, because with the free plan, you are not allowed to edit it. And you can just change the pages, about section. And here we don't have a blog section where all our content would be there. So what you can do is you can just put a blog section here. You will get the complete guide regarding that. And your website is completely created with Elementor. You can do a few edits, and that would be all about creating the website. But I would be using this website as this is already added into my Gizzmo subscription. And this is the website, hustlix.com. And on this website, we'll be doing all the stuff. So now what we have to do is the next step. We have the website created. You just have to do a few edits. How to do those edits? Just go to your website, and where's the pop-up? And just hit edit with Elementor. And by going to each page, you can just do the drag and drop edits. Just go to any of the page, and from there, like this is the newsletter page, and I can just edit this one. You just want to edit any text, you just want to edit any picture, you just have to hit these three dots and you can do all the edits. First of all, you can edit the layout, then you can edit the style from which you can see the pictures, then you have some of the advanced settings, and after that you can just hit update. And with the website you created using AI there or using 10web, you can edit with the similar process. Then to create the affiliate account, just search for Amazon Affiliate Central, and this is the Amazon Affiliate Central. You just have to go there and you just have to sign up for your account. And I already have an account there, so I would not need to sign up. Then you will get the affiliate ID, and you will need affiliate ID for the next process where we will be creating the Gizzmo AI account. So let's just move on to the next step. The next step is adding Gizzmo AI to your website. So we can do that we did in the intro of the video, so that we can just use AI to generate blog posts for us. So you just have to go to link in description to get special discount, and you can also find the promo code in discount so that you can get some special discounts, because you're going from my video. So I just want you to get as much cheaper as you could. Then what the thing is, you just have to, after going to the website, first of all, let's just explore the pricing. So it's not for free. You will get, you can try it for $1 for one time. You get 3 articles and you can see what you will get. And if you think it's worth it for you, it starts generating money for you, you can switch to starter, builder, or pro plan, which is $49.99. And what we have to do is we'll just hit login, because I already have a pro account here, and I will just sign in. And I have just signed into the Gizzmo account, and I have pro plan right now. So first of all, what we have to do, as I already have my website and the Chrome extension integrated, but I just uninstalled it to show you that how the things work. So first of all, we'll just go to plugin and extension. First of all, we'll just install our WordPress plugin. And then we will install our Chrome extension, which will just go to the Chrome store. And from here, we'll just add it to our Chrome, and that's how it would be added into our Google Chrome. Then I'll just go to this extensions and I'll just pin this plugin. And this plugin will only work on the Amazon store, Amazon.com. And from there, you can just add content to your website. Then we have the WordPress plugin. We'll just go back to our website. I'll just go to the dashboard. From the dashboard, I'll just go to the plugins, add new. And from here, I'll just hit upload plugin, choose file, and then go to downloads, Gizzmo AI. I'll hit install now. It would take a few seconds to get installed. After it is installed, we'll just activate it, and after activating it, we just got it, and this is Gizzmo AI. I'll just go to Gizzmo AI, and we'll just have to get the API key and the activation key, and you just have to put it here. But right now I cannot put it. I'll not put it here because it's already added. You will get it on your Gizzmo account. The Gizzmo token would be in the security settings. I guess I just opened it. And then you just also have to add the token here in the Gizzmo, and after that's done, this is how to set it up. Then you just have to go back to your website and just go to you just go to amazon.com, and you just have to select any product, and also Gizzmo would ask you for the affiliate ID, so you just have to put your affiliate ID as well. You don't forget to add the correct affiliate ID, and after adding your affiliate ID, like on the review, there would be links that would direct them to the product page, and those links would be affiliate links of yours. So don't forget to add the correct affiliate ID while setting it up. Now here we just recently we just added some of the products here, and we can just generate the content from these products as well, but I'll just show you the complete demo. We'll just go there, and we'll just select anything from here. You can just select this watch, and let's say this watch, Amazfit watch, and I'll just hit this one. And first of all, I'll just have to add the activation token I just got from Gizzmo, and here you can see I'll just hit add, and this product would be added into my Gizzmo account. I'll just go there and I'll just reload it, and this product would be added into my Gizzmo account in my WordPress dashboard. Here you can see this thing got added. And here on Gizzmo, we have the three options: product review, product roundup, general content. So first one is product review, where you can create a review of any of the product after adding it from the Amazon store. Then the second one is a product roundup, where you can just create comparison posts like iPhone 13 Pro Max versus Samsung S22 Ultra, or these kind of comparisons. Then the general one is that you will get a lot of options. From those options, you can create any kind of post. So first of all, the product review. You have added the products. Here you can see it is already the reviews created, but you want to create a review for any of these. I want the review for this one. I'll just hit prepare, and it would take around 30 seconds to prepare the review, and we'll just wait for 30 seconds. And here you can see it just developed the review, and I'll just hit review. It will take a few seconds to prepare the draft for us, and it's just generating the draft. And here you can see the content is generated now. And first of all, from here you just have to select your favorite featured image, which image you want to use as a featured image. I want this one. Then select the affiliate tag, or you want to add another affiliate tag you just created. You can hit add and add an other affiliate tag. Then SEO keywords, best mouse for freelancers. Okay. And then if the internal linking, if you have other posts and you want to link internally into this post for SEO, I just only have one post right now, so I'll just select this one for internal linking. And then the second thing is create relevant schemas, so I'll just hit select. Then monetization carousels not available. Then I'll just hit create product review post. It would take a few seconds or maybe a minute to create the review post. And after the review post is created, it would be available in our drafts, in the drafts of the WordPress. Let me just go to the all posts. And here you can see it is available in the draft, and I'll just hit quick edit, and I'll select published, and I'll hit update, and it's published. I'll click view, and here you can see the post has been published. Best mouse for freelancers, Tragus Blue Phrase Compact Mouse, and here you can see all the details are there. The blog is created, all the images are added, and here you have the button for buy from Amazon, and below you can see Khadeen of 20, which is the affiliate tag of mine, and that's how these things work. Now let's just go back. And the second thing is product roundups. It's with the same process. You just have to go to Gizzmo AI, go to product roundups, select 2 products. Let's say I want to compare this one and this one and this one. And let's say I want to add these 2 products, change the featured image, and or let's say I guess 3 products. Yeah, so now I can just create best product for freelancers. I'm just doing it dummy. I'm not just doing it like something professional, but I'm just doing it dummy. I just hit create roundup post. It would create the post, and you just have to add it into the drafts, make few edits, and that's all. Now I'll just go back to Gizzmo AI main page, and from here you can just create the general content. And to create the general content, what you have to do is you just need 4 similar products. Like I have 4 similar keyboards. I'll just add 4 keyboards here. And here I will just add some kind of topic. Like I'll just add freelancers. Okay, I'll add freelancers only. Go get topics. And it would generate some topics for me using AI to create a blog post on, so that you can create the general blog post as well. Like how to build a successful freelance career from scratch, the benefits and challenging of being freelancers, typing speed. Let's say I'll search for it, and I'll search for, I'll hit on go get results. And it would just get more results for me. How to improve typing speed as freelancer. Let's say I want this one. The affiliate tag, SEO keywords, improve typing speed freelancer. And I'll hit create general post. And with this process, with the previous process, the same things, it would generate the blog post for us, and we can just publish the blog post on our blog, and that would be all. And that's how you can publish multiple blog posts per day with a simple process, exactly using AI, no plagiarism, no copying, no pasting, the complete unique content, and you can just build a successful blog. And with that successful blog, you can build a like good and sustainable income stream. So that is all about the process. Now let's just move on to the next step. And you can see during this video, we generated 4 blog posts. Okay, so here you can see we just generated blog post. Here's our blog. Our blog is filled up with the content, etc., etc. Now if we go to calculator, and let's say if we get around 1,000 views per month on each blog post, and we have these 4 blog posts only, multiply by 4, and we will get a total of 4,000 views. And let's say we get around 2% conversion rate. So let's say 2% conversion rate, 2% of 4,000 viewers just buy the items from those blog posts. So it would be around 80 sales. And from each sale, if we get around $10, then it would be around $800 from those from these 4 blog posts only. But obviously you will need audience, you will need content, or let's say if 80 blog posts, yeah, so it would be around $800, and you can divide it by, even if you divide it by 4, it would be around $200 for 4 blog posts. You can you just have to generate as much blog posts as you could, and you just have to generate more and more content. Then you can just use rank math plugin for SEO. Then you just have to try different things, like you can create your own newsletter, and there are a lot other things that you have to cover, and you can just build a successful Amazon affiliate business. You will generate a big amount of commissions. You can not only Amazon, but there are a lot other platforms from which you can just be affiliate of, and that's how you can build a successful Amazon affiliate business. So that was all about this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you want to get more ways like this one, you can join Hustlix Academy, the newsletter, and all the important links are in description. You can just check this out, and see you in the next video.